Welcome to Olive Academy, where we master biology with ease.
Hello, young biologists. You are welcome to Olive Academy. Today we'll be looking at complexity of organization in higher organisms. Have you ever wondered why cow or humans are more complex than amoeba or paramecium? Oh, we find out. We'll be looking at these subtopics: meaning of higher organisms, levels of organization in higher organisms, advantages and disadvantages of complexity in higher organisms. Higher organisms. Higher organisms are organisms that are big enough to be seen with our naked eyes, meaning they are macroscopic. They are also multicellular organisms, meaning they have many cells. Unlike amoeba, which is unicellular organisms, they are unicellular because they have only one cell and they exist at this level. So levels of organization in higher organisms are 4 levels: the cell, the tissue, the organ and system, unlike unicellular organisms that exist only at cell level. We are looking at advantages of complexity in higher organisms. Number 1 is cellular differentiation and specialization. The cells of higher organisms are differentiated and structured into tissues that perform a specific function. The second advantage is increased adaptability, meaning that these organisms are able to adapt or withstand changes in the environment, making them more resilient. The third one is improved homeostasis, meaning that these organisms are able to maintain constant internal environment in the body. The fourth one is greater efficiency. Because these organisms are structures, they carry out basic life processes like respiration, nutrition more efficiently. The fifth one is increased size and complexity of behavior. This complexity makes organisms to grow larger and develop more sophisticated behavior. Do you understand? Higher organisms have better chance of survival than unicellular organisms. Okay, let's move to the last subtopic: disadvantages of complexity in higher organisms. Okay, anything that has advantage also have disadvantage. Number 1, inability of individual cells to exist independently, meaning that the cells of higher organisms cannot exist on their own. Number 2, reduced ability to regenerate lost parts. For instance, if you lost your leg or your hand, can you easily get it back? No. The third one is potential for detrimental mutations. Mutation is the alteration of the genetic makeup of an organism, meaning that it can cause harmful mutation. The fourth one, higher energy and resource demands. To maintain a complex organism, you need a significant amount of energy and resources. And the last one, increased susceptibility to disease, meaning that complex organisms are more vulnerable to disease. So in summary, there is an increase in complexity from unicellular organisms to multicellular organisms. Higher organisms have a better chance of survival than unicellular organisms.